Welcome to Photo Inspiration TV. I'm your host, Thomas Bakker. Today we're going to talk about iris photography. It's a way to create artful portraits of one's eye. This can be quite challenging because we need a little equipment to create a nice high-resolution image. For the complete list of equipment that I use, please go to the link in the description. For starters, we are going to need a tripod, a camera with macro lens, a constant light source. Now you could use the flashlight on your phone, but we are going to use the Elinchrom Studio flashes that I own. To be able to shoot one's eye, we are going to get very close to our subject. That's why we need the macro lens. If you didn't know it already, eyes tend to move very fast even when they're focused on a subject. So it will be helpful to make sure that our subject is going to be as steady as possible. To achieve this, we place our subject on the floor and we move our tripod in an overhead position. Now that is going to be the most literal version of an overhead position ever. Next, we connect the camera to the flashes, pointed at a close proximity from the subject's eye. Next, we will position the flashes to fire from both sides of the face, one after another, not simultaneously. Otherwise, we would get lesser detail and contrast in the subject's eye. Please keep in mind that one's nose can be in the way of the flash. Position the flash in such an angle that light moves past the nose, but don't shoot anybody in the face. It is dangerous. We just don't want to risk damaging one's eye. Safety first. To finish our setup, we make sure that the source of the light is as tiny as possible. As you may know, this makes for a very hard light source, and it will help us get as much detail as we possibly can get. After we have shot 4 versions of the same eye, that means 2 like this and 2 like this. After we're done shooting the pictures, we bring them into Photoshop or any other editor of choice. First, we align the 4 versions of our eye. Then we will mask out the images that show our eyelids and make a final mask to create a nice artsy little photograph. Artsy, that's a word. A pro tip is to use the liquify filter into Photoshop to create the same size pupil. Now that's it for today, folks. I hope that you liked the video. If you did so, please hit the thumbs up button below, and I will see you in the next episode of Photo Inspiration TV. Bye!